Welcome to Park Sell Tech and Ini. Here we have a 2007 Holden Commodore station wagon. Just going to give you guys a bit of an idea of its condition. Just come back from the groomers, and being a used Commodore, it has been used. So starting with the bonnet, there's a few stone chips and stuff all around the bonnet. Walking around the side of the car, it's not too bad. It's got 17-inch mag wheels on it, good tyres all around. A little bit of paint coming off there, there's a mark on the paint there. Plenty of room in the old wagons, but there's some, I don't know, scuff marks there. It does have a tow bar, so if you need to tow something. What's the rating on that? It says there 750 unbraked and 2.1 tonne braked. So that's a decent bit of weight. Real spacious boot space. Like, commies are really known for having plenty of boot space. You can drop the seats down and load it up with whatever you need. Or just a good 5-seater wagon. A little bit of some marks on the rear bumper. A little bit of a mark there. A few other light scuffs and marks around the car to be expected. But it's tidy. It's tidy. This front guard has a couple of small dents on it. One there, down here as well. Front bumper's got a few. You've got a car like this, it's really good for long distance driving, so you're going to get a lot of stone chips and stuff. We'll go to the back seat first. Interior, wind down windows in the back. Don't have to ever worry about electrical stuff failing because it's wind down windows. Headlining's pretty good. Yeah, interior's tidy. It's comfy too. Alright, so driver's seat's got some wear. There's plenty of Commodore seats around if you want to replace it. Hopping in. The headphones came out. Alright, so we got 253 k's on the clock. V6 motor still runs strong. Has had a new coil pack, new spark plugs. I think a couple other things done to it. It's got a new WAF. It's had a service done as well. Yeah. Not too sure why that's sticking out. Box. Passenger seat's all good. Start her up. Real quiet, smooth running engine. Yeah, just need some fuel. Cool. So it's got a fancy radio there. I haven't really had a chance to play with that one yet. I'll have to check the AC and stuff though. Oh yeah, AC is nice and cold. Yeah, so let me know if you want to know more. Just a good, honest wagon. Tow something, chuck all the mates in the back, go to the beach. Like, it's, yeah, just ready to go. So, and yeah, it's got a healthy motor in it. Cheers.